Segment 1. Understanding unexpected expenses. Welcome to Money Matters. Today's topic is how to plan for unexpected expenses. Life can throw curveballs like sudden car repairs or medical bills that can disrupt your budget. To prepare, start by building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Automate savings to this fund and review your budget regularly to allocate money for it. Also, ensure you have adequate insurance to cover potential unexpected costs. Segment 2. Actionable steps for financial preparedness. To get started, build your emergency fund with small, consistent deposits. Review and adjust your budget regularly to account for potential expenses. Ensure your insurance policies are up to date and shop around for the best rates. Use budgeting tools to track expenses and identify spending patterns. By taking these steps, you'll be better prepared for unexpected financial challenges. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money management tips. See you next time.